I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Zenefits account, alright? So for those people who do not know Zenefits, let me explain you guys what Zenefits is in short. So what Zenefits is, Zenefits basically streamlines your workflow by automatically connecting HR, benefits, payroll, and scheduling together in one platform, alright? And if you want to know more about it, you can just pause the video, read the entire thing in order to know in detail, because I've explained to you what it is in short form. Now let me show you guys how you guys can log in into your Zenefits Payroll account. So log in and click on Zenefits Login, and it's going to take you to the official website of Zenefits. Once you see the Zenefits logo over here, it means you're in the correct website. Over here, you need to enter the email of your account. So I'm going to enter the email of my Zenefits account and click on next. And on the next step, it's going to ask you for the password of your account. So over here, enter the password of your account and click on sign in. And if the password you entered over here is correct, then you should be able to log in into your Zenefits account. And if you want to log in into a different account, you can click on log into a different account to enter your different account's login detail. And if you forgot the username or password, you can click on need help logging in order to recover your account as well. Alright? So yeah, that's how you guys can log in into your Zenefits Payroll account.